Welcome back to the kitchen, man. We're gonna do some mushroom soup. Okay, right on, guys. Grab yourself a couple onions. You're gonna need a couple onions. Grab yourself mushrooms. We're gonna need some mushrooms, right? Okay, we're gonna need some salt, some pepper, some thyme. Grab yourself some garlic. Okay, grab yourself some beef bouillon, little parsley, some beef broth. Grab yourself some butter, unsalted or salted, but I'm going unsalted. Grab yourself some vino, red or white, okay? A little heavy cream of your choice. I am going with some whipping cream. Cool. And grab yourself some all-purpose flour. Mix yourself up 4 or 5 cloves of garlic and 2 onions. Okay, and then you're gonna want about 4 tablespoons of butter here, okay? And yeah, my eyesight's pretty good on this, so that's about 3, and that's about 4 there, right? Okay, so you got 4 tablespoons of butter in there. Go over medium heat, and then what we're gonna do here. You know what, I think I'm going to toss in just a little bit more butter here. Okay? So, 4 tablespoons of butter there. Okay, that looks like 4 tablespoons there, guys. Okay, right on. Now, 2 onions and 4 cloves of garlic here. I actually use 5 because I like garlic. Oh yeah, keep those vampires away, guys. So give that a toss around in there. Okay, go over medium heat. And you're just going to saute them up, okay? Saute those guys up there for, probably 2-3 minutes or so. Okay, guys, and you're not trying to cook these onions and whatnot. You're just kind of sauteing them, getting them a little soft here. So like I was saying, probably 2-3 minutes, not too long. Okay, right on. And now what you're going to want to do is throw in a couple tablespoons of thyme. Okay, guys, forget what I just said here. Throw in, 1 dos of thyme, guys. Throw in 2 teaspoons of thyme, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna cook the thyme in with these for 5 minutes. 5 minutes, 2 teaspoons of thyme. All right. Okay, yeah, and while you got that going on here, guys, we almost forgot the mushrooms, man. Mushrooms, they can't have mushroom soup without mushrooms, okay? So grab yourself a pound and a half thereabouts, roughly, of mushrooms, and dice those up to your liking here. Okay, boom. Cut yourself up, about a pound and a half of mushrooms-ish, however you like. And just boom, toss those guys in there with your thyme that we got in there. And we're just gonna get those all married up here for about 5 minutes, just kind of stirring, and we're still over medium heat, guys. Grab yourself about a half cup of red wine or white wine, whatever you like. I think it really much matters too much, but I'm going to throw in a half a cup of red wine there. Ooh, boom, boom. And then just cook that in there, still over medium heat, guys, for about 3 minutes. Grab your all-purpose flour, okay? And then what we're going to want to do here is we're going to want about 6 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Okay, so that's about 1-ish, 1.5. We'll call that 2. Okay, and just sprinkle that over the top. So there is 2. Okay, there's 4. Okay, and we'll call that 6. just a little bit more for good luck. Okay, just sprinkle that over the top there, guys. Now, another thing that we're going to want to do here, grab yourself some extra virgin olive oil, and boom. Going to throw just 1 tablespoon, boom, right over the top on that. Okay, and then you're going to want to mix the crap out of this, right? Mix her up really nice. Get her mixed up good, good, good. Okay, and we're going to want to cook that for those 2 minutes. Okay, boom, grab your stock here. I'm using beef broth here, okay, low sodium. You can use chicken broth if you like to. And what you're going after here is 4 cups of stock here. Chicken or beef, your choice, okay? Going after 1. There's 4 cups of beef broth. And a little bit more for good luck, why not? In case you're wondering, right? These here are roughly about 4 cups. And then we're just gonna kind of bring this to a boil, guys. Okay, boom. Now once you got that to a boil, just gonna go low medium, right? Throw in about a tablespoon. I mean, not tablespoon. Not, you don't want to go that much. Okay, about a teaspoon of salt, or I mean, teaspoon of black pepper, right? Crushed black pepper, and about 1 to 2 teaspoons of salt. I'm just going with a little bit because I'm not huge on salt, guys. Okay, and then what you're gonna want to do here is reduce that to a low medium. Give it a little stir-rama. Okay, grab your cover, and boom. We're going to let that go for about, 10-15 minutes. Just occasionally give it a little check and stir it until it kind of thickens up a little bit. Boom, almost forgot here. You could throw in, a couple cubes of beef bouillon. I got better than beef bouillon, so I'm going to throw in, just about a teaspoonish of that. Okay, boom. Now we got that simmering. Okay, what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to go down to low now. Have that going for almost 15 minutes. Okay. Get a half cup of heavy cream, or half and half would work too. And then what you're going to do here is we're going to kind of want to let this kind of taper off so it's not boiling, right? So just give it a couple seconds or so. Just go straight down to low, guys. Okay, you don't want to boil it here. You just want to get it to a nice little simmer. Okay, so if it's still boiling, just kind of wait, hold off for a minute or 2. Get it nice and thick, stirring. Now, what you're going to want to do here, guys, do this in 2 different orders. I'm doing it this way, though. Okay? I'm throwing in 2 more teaspoons of thyme. Okay, and I'm going to throw in 2 teaspoons of parsley. And then put your pepper into your taste here. I'm just going to go with about a teaspoon of pepper. You could put a little bit more salt in, but you know what? I'm not a big fan of salt, so I'm not gonna. Okay, like I said, that's just kind of simmering now. Get yourself about 1 cup of heavy cream, and just slowly pour it in. Give it a little stir. And then just get your cream in there. And just stir it here. Okay. And we're on dead low here, okay? Stir that up. Salt and pepper to your tastings. There you have it, guys. Mushroom soup. Oh, look at that, guys. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Looks beautiful. Well, I'm just going to let that simmer there, just like that, for, oh, geez, about, probably 10-15 minutes, and then we're going to get to dig in. Okay, boom, boom. Time for the moment of truth, guys. Okay. Look at that. Oh yeah, look at that. Alright, so adjust your taste here now. Alright, for the moment of truth here. Got myself a piece of garlic bread, dip that. Let's give this a try. Yeah, really good. A little hot. Okay. Give this a try. Delicious. Right on, guys. Hey, thanks for dropping back and checking out our edition of Tank Top Cooking here, man. Love soup here. Love mushroom soup. Ain't nothing better than making it your own, eh? Man, this is delicious, guys. So you know how it is. Once, twice, 3 times a week, sometimes 4. Drop a vid. So if you like what you see here, consider subscribing here. And give me a big thumbs up. You guys keep calm, be cool. Till next time.